Hi, Jonathan York from Bay Financial Partners, looking at the investment markets. The buzz is still really all about Meridian, possibly even more so now after the sort of independent researchers came out last week and pretty much all gave it a tick of approval. Most were sort of forecasting possibly slightly higher than the sort of $1.60 that's going to be capped for New Zealand retail investors. But they were pretty keen to stress that this really is a dividend share. It has a high cash flow, and that's really the strength of the share, rather than looking for a huge capital gain. Now this offer closes on October the 18th. As most people are aware now, it's a two-part payment where you pay $1 up front, the initial IPO, and then you have to pay the further instalment, which is capped to say at 60 cents for New Zealand retail investors, about 18 months down the track. In the meantime, you will receive a full dividend payment, and that makes the dividend yield potentially in the first year around sort of 13% gross, which is pretty good when you compare it with other income yielding investments out there in the marketplace. So if you are interested in this offer, call us on 0800 867 323 or go to the website www.bayfinancialpartners.co.nz. The Reserve Bank Governor gave the markets a little bit of a scare sort of last week, talking about mortgage rates potentially getting to 8%. Obviously, if that is the case, then the OCR is not going to be at 2.5% where it currently is. So clearly the indication is that the Reserve Bank expects interest rates to increase over the next sort of 2 to 3 years. And that does have some pretty major implications out there for your fixed interest portfolio, where you've really been used to very low interest rates now for quite a while, and possibly even got a little bit complacent about it. Certainly people who have bought bonds in the secondary market, i.e. not at the issue price, may just need to review that portfolio because potentially there could be some interesting situations arising. Still got deadlock in the US, and as time now ticks by towards that debt ceiling, which is the 17th of October, I believe. Really, it's sort of just incredible to believe that both parties now are sort of pushing the US economy to the very brink. And certainly if the US was to default by running out of money on its bonds, that would just really be catastrophic for the global economy. So really they need to sit down, analyse things in the cold light of day and really come up with a solution pretty quickly, because certainly a US default is not an option. So to summarise, say if you are looking at Meridian investment, get those applications in pretty quickly. The offer closes on the 18th of October, and demand is pretty good out there.